Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about how can you download text editor or code editor. 90% people stuck here when they start coding. Which kind of text editor or code editor they should download it, or they should download language from where, and how you have to download Python from its official website. You can write on the Chrome just a Python download and you can find it and you can download it. Second thing is how can you choose a text editor or a code. You don't need to download very heavy IDs or a text editor in the starting. You can start with cloud coding related things where you can write your code basically, and you should have basically you should have the website or the thing where you can store your code. So for that, I personally, when I started, I start with the coding, and when I after that when I learned from Python properly from Udemy, then I shifted towards the Jupyter. Jupyter, it's a library, Python library where you can write a code. So you can do that, and when you are going to advance, you can download VS Code. That's one of the best for the code editor. So we are on the computer screen. I start in the Jupyter Notebook because it's a beginner friendly, and if you start learning then you should ideally not, but you should start with it good, because when you do a bug, then gets you a proper problem, so you can find it and solve it. So here we have to write a hello world, which is a basic our a coder start. We start with a hello world. So let's go. So here you can see we write our code a hello world. So I hope you understand what should you install. You can also start with a Codem or other website, or you can also start with VS Code. But ideally you should go in higher IDs or the text or code editor when you are become a intermediate or a pro level in the language or in the coding journey. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, you can subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and family members. I hope you get the value from it. Thanks for watching.